In a world where bigger often means better, one compact pickup continues to challenge that idea, and it's doing it with confidence, utility, and style. Say hello to the 2025 Ford Maverick, a truck that doesn't try to be everything for everyone, but instead, does a few things exceptionally well. Built with the urban adventurer in mind, the 2025 Maverick blends the rugged DNA of a Ford truck with the practicality of a crossover. And while it's technically the smallest truck in Ford's lineup, don't let that fool you. This thing punches way above its weight class. From the outside, the Maverick keeps its bold and boxy silhouette, but the 2025 model comes with sharper lines, an updated front grille, and new LED lighting that gives it a more aggressive, modern look. It's compact, yes, but it still has that unmistakable Ford truck attitude. Whether you're pulling into a tight city parking spot or hitting a dusty trail, the Maverick looks right at home. Under the hood, buyers have a choice. You can go with the standard hybrid powertrain, fuel-efficient and surprisingly responsive, or for those who want a little more muscle, the optional turbocharged EcoBoost engine delivers more than enough power for hauling gear, towing a trailer, or just getting a quick jump off the line. And yes, all-wheel drive is available for those who don't shy away from a little off-road fun. And for 2025, Ford's thrown in a few extras that elevate the experience, like an available digital instrument cluster, a new available panoramic roof, and enhanced driver assist features through Ford Co-Pilot 360. It's all designed to make your drive safer, smoother, and just a bit more fun. Starting at a price point that's still surprisingly affordable, especially in today's market, the 2025 Maverick continues to offer one of the best values in the truck world. Whether you're a first-time truck buyer, a weekend warrior, or someone who just wants versatility without the bulk, the Maverick makes a compelling case. So if you're looking for a pickup that's compact, capable, and packed with personality, the 2025 Ford Maverick might just be the truck you never knew you needed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What do you think of the new Maverick? Would you drive one? Let us know.